Hello you all. Today I'm at Home Depot over here, like somewhere on the south side, and for some reason they have their plants outside. So let's see what kind of plants they have. This one's growing something else inside of it. I don't know if that's a bloom or what. Rojo Congo for $29. The wicker planters are $29. There's lots of ZZ plants down here looking nice and healthy. More of the Rojo Congo. Ooh. $5 Syngoniums. Probably gonna get one of those. Spider plants. What is this? I don't know who this is. It's not Photonia, I don't think, but it could be. Little hidden money plants. These are $12. Like spring, summer, Easter. More ZZ plants and dumb canes. $19. $12. These probably $12 too. Yeah, $12.98. They have giant peace lilies for $25. Large corn plants, or yuccas, I think you can call them yuccas, are $70. They're pretty tall. I think these are birds of paradise. White birds of paradise over here. What is going on over there? Beautiful leaf. Look at how pretty that leaf is. I'm sure these plants really love being outside. Getting that nice full sun. They do have some snake plants in here, like variegated snake plants in the $4.98 selection. Some more birds of paradise. I don't know if they're white birds of paradise. I don't know. How much are the birds of paradise? They're very huge though. $39, that's $40. That is such a good price for $40. Very good price. Now we're gonna go inside and see what they have. But yeah, thanks for clicking on another video. We're going plant shopping. We're gonna see what they have. Yeah, I can imagine they have like such good options. It's definitely a fully stocked Home Depot. Here we have the large Raven ZZs for $34. Some lucky bamboo, different Dracaena type arrangements. The Dumbcang Delilah. Oh, so I guess maybe Dieffenbachia hybrid. There's different types. I didn't know. I always thought they were the same one. I think every time I saw them, ooh, look. New planters. Spring is here. Yes, oh. Ooh, the pretty yellow on the bottom. And this one says, Hello Spring. That's nice. What's in here? Bromeliads. This is absurd. I think, so there's peace lilies over here. Small ones, large ones. Begonia rex. These are, no, they're not. I'm gonna say these are just outdoor plants, so I don't have to look, but there are the PW plant, Proven Warriors, Leaf Joy, Bring Nature Inside. I think these are different types of ficus, right? Yeah. And they are $19.98. Some in ceramic planters, others in that like woven stuff. Those Miranda Calatheas, whoever they are.
Customer needs assistance at the key machine.
They're
Customer
pretty.
assistance needed at the key machine.
I wonder what it would be like to have one of these. Imperial green philodendron. So pretty. So yeah, philodendron, imperial green. We have our Monstera deliciosus over here. Money trees. Very healthy. They're gigantic. Gigantic. $29.98. Aloe vera. Cachet. That's good. Random Anthurium. That's for all the dead plants out there, all the dead homies that just got overwatered. May you thrive. Now my little feet are, oh, what? More anthuriums. Oh, they're playing Beyonce. To the left, to the left. Wow, look at this bonsai. That's beautiful. I'm unsure of like if it's glued down in there, but it looks cool. There's new planters here, $10. Yeah. Yeah, there's tons of money trees. Bromeliads down here. Bromeliads. Lots of peace lilies. This is like a gigantic Home Depot. Can't believe this is like local. I very rarely come to this Home Depot. Haven't seen the green planters yet in stores, but this is pretty. It's a nice change from neutral and white, or tan and white. Some global greens. Tempted to get another one. Those grow so well. So here we have flora plants. Oh, look at this. The European fan palm. It's intense. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, but it looks cool. Yeah, they have like every type of tall flora plant that you could want in here. They still have some of those bright planters, wicker planters. Ooh, that's a good soil mix right there. I feel like they just watered all the plants today. Ooh, they still have their special buy, so all of the hanging planters are on sale for $12.88 when they're usually $16.98. So I did see these blue and yellow ones before. Now they have like this seafoam green. Here's like the medium-sized plants, fiddle leaves. Tons of different options, like in terms of planters. Some snake plants. I'm so full. I just came from a gender reveal and I'm like stuffed to capacity. More ZZ plants, both Raven and traditional regular, I guess you'd say. These are $35. I'm doing a $20 budget today, so there's that. These are some type of tropical plant. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. But yeah, here's a Scindapsus up here that are on sale for $12.98. Is it just one? Oh no, there's two. The Argaeus, I think that's what it's called. Arguus. There's two of those. There's a spider plant having babies right there. She's in labor. The yuccas. Here's the special buys. I don't know, are these, if they're on special buy, they're $3.33. I tell you, when I'm out of town, I just feel like I find like really good smaller plants. Ooh, I wanted a Syngonium, and now look, they have them like in large sizes. Very pretty. More pregnant spider plants up there. They're so pretty. This would look good in my room. I just don't know how to keep these alive. I might get like a couple of syngoniums, 1, 2, 3, like 3 of them in those different shades. Might have to go back outside for the syngoniums. But here's some of the other plants that they have. Snake plants, lots of dracaenas, golden pothos, some type of aglaonomia, begonias, more snake plants. They said these are the low maintenance, easy care. This is like such a peaceful situation. There's nobody in here. If they are, they're not bothering me. There's like sounds coming from over there in the corner, but probably a bird. But yeah, there's nobody. Oh, look at this. A little philodendron birkin. It's definitely lots of water in there. There's no way she's gonna drink all that water. Okay. A Chinese evergreen. It looks silver, so pretty. I think I just have... I see one Scindapsus over here, but most of them are just heartleaf philodendrons. All in all, this is a very fully stocked store. I just don't think they have that good of a selection. The snake plants, the cacti succulent selection. We have different arrangements of succulents. More like quote unquote low light planters or baskets. Here's the succulents. I think I want one of these, a moon cactus. Oh no. Am I leaving today without a plant? Is that what's happening here? I can't get over how beautiful the arrangements are though. Like whoever styled these did their thing. Especially that one. I want to put this near my front door. That one just looks like out of place. Who are you? You're the only one here. Asparagus. Some type of asparagus fern, I think. Scindapsus. I wonder if these are drying out while the other ones, yeah. The hanging planters are drying out while the ones that are below are getting like super watered out. I did find $3 ivy up here. Oh no. The succulent selection. More Baltic blues. Raven ZZs. The calathea, the dotty calathea, that's who you are. I didn't know anthuriums were called flamingo flowers. I swear I did not know that. Ooh. They now have the dark mystery plants like in larger planters. I think this is low light. Yeah. Low light, it's a palea. Oh, it's from Ecuador. That's where my papa's from. Water when soil feels dry. Yeah, I want something that needs like moist soil. And then there's more plants down there. How pretty. I'm unsure of the name, but I know it's a unique plant. So, Alocasia silver dragon. That's who it is. And this is the trending tropical section. It's very packed over here. Dieffenbachias. Purple waffles. More anthuriums or flamingo flowers. Ooh, look at this flamingo flower. This one's pretty. It's giving like witchy goth girl realness for sure. dark mystery. They're so cute. They got little bonsais for $12 and different varieties of ivy. It's like I'm in here shooting a whole reality television show. Well, everybody's just looking at me like, what is she doing? Oh my gosh. Look at these poor spring cacti. I have never... What do y'all think? Could y'all save that? Are these savable? That one right there is the only one. And there's a couple, but most of them, they must have been outside. $6 snake plant, $6 aloe vera. That's a good price. Here is what I'm looking for. I'm trying to see if they have any jade pothos here. I got one when I was in California, but it got a little damaged, and I want my jade pothos to be in good condition. Okay, so any jade pothos here? No jade pothos, so let's go see. The succulents. Smart Planet. So these look like they're like eco-friendly planters. Nice spring colors. They're so cute.
Yo.